Welcome friends. This is the introduction to 3ds Max. Autodesk 3ds Max is a design software which is providing a powerful integrated 3D modeling, animation and rendering tools that enables artists and designers to focus more energy on creative rather than technical challenges. This is the description that they have given on their website, which is autodesk.com/3ds-max. You can go ahead and download 3ds Max from this free trial, which will open up this web page. It's product trial. You can download Autodesk 3ds Max or Autodesk 3ds Max Design. Both of them are free to trial. If you wish to purchase them, go to this how to buy guide. It will open up this web page. Here, buying guides are given. You can buy them from here and pay online. Nowadays, there is a special offer as well. So if you wish to do that, go ahead. Let's go through some features of Autodesk 3ds Max. It's Adobe After Effects interportability. So if you're using Adobe After Effects, you'll find it easier to interport your projects. Render pass system and Photoshop interportability. So if you wish to use Photoshop later on, it's great for you. Active Shade Interactive Ray Rendering, which is very powerful tool of 3ds Max. Slate Composing Editor, Nitrous Viewport Performance and Quality, Enhanced Interportability with AutoCAD and Revit. So if you belong from an architecture background, this will be great for you. Direct Connect support, Mass Effects enhancement, tabbed layouts, customizable workspace, track view, and all these new features which are there in the latest version of 3ds Max. Let's take a look at different suites. Autodesk 3ds Max software is included in all these suites. First is 3ds Max Entertainment Creation Suite. Second is 3ds Max Design. Then AutoCAD Design Suite, Autodesk Factory Design Suite, Autodesk Infrastructure Design Suite, and Autodesk Product Design Suite. So in all these suites, Autodesk 3ds Max is included. So I'll recommend you to try before you buy, download a trial and install them, and then continue from the next tutorial. Thank you.